Good morning children, welcome to online class. Today 10th standard maths subject is chapter is linear equations in two variables. In that last exercise 3.6, 3.3 and 3.5 are excluded from your syllabus. That's why I am not taking 3.3 and 3.4. Directly I am taking 3.6 exercise. Here in that first main, see, solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Here first one, in that first main, first one, this is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Second one, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. First you reduce these equations to pair of linear equations. This is not pair of linear equations. Reduce to pair of linear equations and then solve. See here, first one, this can be written it as, see, 1 by 2 into 1 by x. This is nothing but into. Here 1 by 2 into 1 by x, it is nothing but 1 1 ja 1, 2 into x, 2x first term, plus second term is 1 by 3 into 1 by y. This is second term is equal to as it is. Here this equation, see, first is 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. See here, in first and second equation, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Here x term, see here, where is x term? This is the x term, this is 1 by x, this is 1 by x. X terms are equal, y terms are equal, 1 by y, 1 by y. Next, let x, 1 by x is equal to, either you take any letter, either u or p or any letter, and 1 by y is equal to q. 1 by x is equal to p, 1 by y is equal to q. Substitute in equation 1 and 2. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Substitute p and q values in equations 1 and 2. In equations 1 and 2, you see 1 by 2 into x, 1 by x is nothing but what? P, plus 1 by 3, y value is q, is equal to 2. Next one, 1 by 3 into p plus 1 by 2 into here q is equal to 13 by 6. Here you see, in this denominator is, this can be written it as like this, p by 2 plus q by 3 is equal to 2. Next one is p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. In this equation, you see, here there is no denominator, means 1. It means LCM of 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. LCM of 1, 2, 3 is 2, 3 are 6. Here, this is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. In equation 3, you see 2, 3, 1. LCM of 2, 3, 1 is, you see, 2, 3, 1. Second table, 2 1 ja 3 as it is, 1 as it is, 3, 1, 1, 1. LCM is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. LCM is 6. For this first one, third equation. Fourth equation, here 3 is there, here 2 is there, here 6 is there. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. See, first you take second table, 2 1 ja 2, 3 as it is, 6, 2 3 ja 6. Next you take third table, 1 as it is, 3 1 ja 1 ja. Next LCM is 6. 2 into 3, 6. It means here first equation is also LCM 6, second equation is also LCM 6. It means equation 3 and 4 multiplied by 6. Equation 3 and 4 are multiplied by 6. Equation 3 and 4 are multiplied by 6. It means, see, 6 into p by 2 plus 6 into q by 3 plus is equal to 6 into 2 by 1. Next, 6 into p by 3 plus 6 into q by 2 is equal to 6 into 13 by 6. See here, multiply the equation 3 and 4 by 6 means each and every term is multiplied by 6. First term is 6 is multiplied by first term 3 by 2 plus second term is also multiplied by 6, last term is also multiplied by 6. Here next you see 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 into p, 3p plus here 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 into q, 2q is equal to 6 into 2, 12, denominator 1 is there, leave it as it is. This is first one. Next one, here 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 into p, 2p plus 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 into q, 3q is equal to, here 6 and 6 cancelled, 13 1 ja, 13. Now these two equations are, this is equation number 5, this is equation number 6. These two equations are linear pair of equations in p and q variables. These are the linear pair of equations. Solve these equations either elimination method or this one is solved by elimination method. See, this is the next elimination method. I am solving this one completely. Here equation number 5 and equation number 6, solve these equations by, here elimination method means either equating the q coefficients or p coefficients. Here coefficients of q, equating the coefficients means, here what is the q coefficient in second equation? 3, in first equation that is 2. It means this 2 is multiplied by this equation, this 3 is multiplied by this equation. It means this is the fifth one equation, this is the sixth one. In fifth one equation, what is the coefficient of q? 2. In sixth equation, what is the coefficient of q? 3. Here sixth equation q coefficient is multiplied by fifth equation. In fifth equation, q coefficient is multiplied by sixth equation. See, multiplied by equations 5 is multiplied by 3 and equation 6 is multiplied by equation 6 is multiplied by 2. See, 3 means each and every term is multiplied. 3 into 3p plus 3 into 2q is equal to 3 into 12. Next, see, 3 3 is 9p plus 3 2 is 6q is equal to 12 3 is. Next one, this is fifth equation. Next one, sixth one, multiplied by 2 means 2 into 2p plus 2 into 3q is equal to 2 into 13. Here 2 2 ja 4p, 2 3 ja 6, q is equal to 13 to 26. This is sixth one. Here fifth and sixth one, you see, subtract equation 6 by 5. It means fifth equation 9p plus 6q is equal to 36. This is fifth equation. Sixth equation 4p plus 6q is equal to 26. Subtract means in downward equations signs will changes. This is my plus sign is there, minus changes into minus. This is plus is there, minus changes into minus. This is plus is there, changes into minus. Here this is minus sign 6q, this is plus sign, these two are cancelled. Here plus 9 is there, minus 4 is there. 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5p is equal to, here 36 is there, this is plus sign, this is minus sign. 36 minus 26 is nothing but 10. P is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2. P is equal to 2. This is the P value. Next, what is there? P is equal to 2. Substitute in equation 5 or 6. See, this is the equation 5, this is the equation 6. Anyone, either fifth equation or sixth. Substitute P is equal to 2 in equation 5. What is equation 5? You see here 9p plus 6q is equal to 36. What is P? 9 into 2 plus 6q is equal to 36. 9 2 is 18. 6q is equal to 36. This 18 comes this side, minus 6q is equal to 36 minus 18 is nothing but 18. Q is equal to 18 divided by this 6 comes this side, division 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja, Q is equal to 3. This is Q value. Here find the X value and Y value. Here they are not asking P and Q value. Here P value and Q value you will get. Next, finding the X and Y value. See, in starting, let the 1 by x is equal to P. It means P is equal to 1 by x. Otherwise, 1 by x is equal to P. Here Q is equal to 1 by y. Here what is the value of P? P value is 2. 2 is equal to 1 by x. See, here there is no denominator, means cross multiplication. 2 into x. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. This is the value of x. Here q is equal to 3 is equal to 1 by y. Here there is no denominator, means 1. Here also cross multiplication. 3 into y, 3y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 by 3. This is the value of y. This is the x value. This is the y value. This is the first problem in first main. First one is completed. Next. In 3.6 exercise, first main, second one, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. Here 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Here you see this equation can be written it as 4 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y is equal to 2. This can be written it as 2. This is 2 into, here 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y is equal to minus 1. Here numerator 4 is there. 4 into 1, 4 by root x, same thing. 9 into 1, 9 by root y, same. Right side is also same. Here see x term, this is the x term, 1 by root x, 1 by root x. This is put p is equal to 1 by root x. Here 1 by root y, 1 by root y. Let p is equal to 1 by root x and q is equal to 1 by root y. Here 1 by root x is equal to p or 1 by root y is equal to q. Here where it is 1 by x, you substitute p, 2 into p, 1 by root x is nothing but p plus 3 into, this is 1 by root y is nothing but q is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Here equation number 2, 4 into p plus, minus 9 into q is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. When you are getting equation 1 and 2 in pair of linear equations, in the form of pair of linear equations, you see here equating the q coefficients, here 9 is there, here 3 is there, it means this is 9, means this one is multiplied by 9, this is multiplied by 3. Equation 1 is multiplied by 9 and equation 2 is multiplied by 3. Equation 1 is multiplied by 9 and equation 2 is multiplied by 3. This is equation number 1. Equation 1 is multiplied by 9 and equation 2 is multiplied by 9. It means 9 is multiplied each and every term. See here. It means 9 into 2p plus 9 into 3q is equal to 9 into 2. Here 9 2 is 18p, 9 3 is 27q is equal to 18. This is equation number 3. Next, here 3 4 is 12p minus 3 9 is 27q is equal to 3 1 is 3 minus 3. This is equation number 4. Second equation is multiplied directly. Here this is equation number 3 and equation number 4. Here you see the coefficients of q. This is coefficient of q is plus 27. Here coefficient of q is minus 27. Here already signs are different. Then you add equation 3 and 4. See 18p plus 27q is equal to 18. 12p minus 27q is equal to minus 3. Here add means there is no change in signs. Here add means, you see here this is plus and minus get cancelled. Here 12 plus 18, 18 plus 12, 30. P is equal to, here 18 minus 3 is nothing but 15. P is equal to 15 by 30 is equal to 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, P is equal to 1 by 2. This is the P value. P is equal to 1 by 2, substitute in equation 3 or 4, any one of the equation. Then you will get the Q value. See, P is equal to 1 by 2, that value is substitute in equation 3 or 4, any one of the equation. Substitute P is equal to 2, substitute P is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 3. What is equation 3? 18p plus 27q is equal to 18. What is P value? 18 into 1 by 2 plus 27q is equal to 18. 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, 9 plus 27q is equal to 18. Transfer this 9 that side. 27q is equal to 18 divided minus 9. 27q is equal to 18 minus 9 is nothing but 9. Q is equal to 9 by 27. 3 1 ja 9 1 ja 9 3 ja. Q is equal to 1 by 3. This is the Q value. When you are knowing Q and P and Q value, then find X and Y value. See, next here 1 by X is equal to 1 by root X is equal to P value. 1 by root X is equal to what? P value is C 1 by 2. Here cross multiplication root X is equal to root X into 1 root X 2 1 ja 2. X is equal to, here removing root, here put root. X value is 2. 1 by root Y is equal to Q. 1 by root Y is equal to Q value is 1 by 3. Here also cross multiplication root Y into 1 root Y. 3 into 1 3. Here removing square root, y is equal to, here put square root, y is equal to square root of 3 is the value. This is the second one. Next in third one, 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. 3 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. Here only x term is in the form of fraction. Y term is not in the form of fraction. See, y term is not in the form of fraction. Here this one can be written it as 4 into 1 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. This can be written it as 3 into 1 by x plus minus 4y is equal to 23. Here 1 by x, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Let 1 by x is equal to, let 1 by x is equal to p. Either you take p, u, m, any letter. Here 1 by x is equal to p. Substitute 1 by x is equal to p in equation 1 and 2. See, 4 into p, 1 by x is nothing but 1 by x, this instead of 1 by x, p plus 3y as it is equal to 14. This is equation number 3. Next, 3 into 1 by x is nothing but p plus, minus 4y is equal to 23. This is equation number 4. These two are the linear equations. You see here, linear equation means here y coefficient is 3, here y coefficient is 4. It means equation 3 is multiplied by 4, equation 4 is multiplied by 3. Equation 3 is multiplied by 4, 3 is multiplied, equation 4 is multiplied by 3. Equation 3 is multiplied by 4 and equation 4 is multiplied by 3. It means equation 3 is multiplied by 4, equation 4 is multiplied by 3. It means 4 into 4p, 4 into 4p, here plus n is there, plus 4 into 3y is equal to 4 into 14. Here 4 4 ja 16p plus 4 3 ja 12y 56. This is equation number 5. Next, here equation 3 into 3p minus 3 into 4y is equal to 3 into 23. Here 3 3 is 9 p minus 12y is equal to 23 3 is 69. This is sixth equation. After getting fifth and sixth equation, you see here y coefficient here same. It means one is plus sign, another one is minus sign. Directly you add equations 5 and 6. See 16p plus 12y is equal to 56. 9p minus 12y is equal to 69. Add means directly no change of signs here. No change of signs. Here 16 plus 9 is nothing but 25. P, this one is cancelled, is equal to 69 75. 69 plus 6 75. 75 plus 125. 125. P is equal to 125 by 25. 25 1 ja, 25 5 ja. P is equal to 5. When P is equal to 5, what is the value of y? You find this value y and next substitute P. What is P? 1 by x is equal to 5. X is equal to what is the value? You find the value of this one. Next problem I will show. See next in first main fourth one, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Next 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Here you see, here x minus 1, here x minus 1, denominator x term, here y minus 2, here y minus 2. It means 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 into, here in numerator 1 is there, 1 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to as it is. Here 6 is there, 6 into x minus by 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 is there. Here you take this one, 1 by, this one is P, this one is Q. Let P is equal to 1 by x minus 1 and Q is equal to 1 by y minus 2. Substitute in equation, substitute P and Q values, P and Q in equation 1 and 2. See, first equation is 5 into 1 by x minus 1 is what? P plus here 1 into 1 by y minus 2, this is Q is equal to, this is 2. Next 6 into P minus 3 into Q is equal to 1. This is here, this is equation number 3, this is equation number 2, 4. This is equation number 4. See here, next you can solve these two equations. These two are linear pair of equations in the form of linear pair of equations in two variable. Next you solve these two equations by equating the q coefficients. Here q coefficient is 1, here q coefficient is 3. It means first one is multiplied by 3, second one is multiplied by 1. Next you will get the q coefficients are same, here minus plus sign is there, here minus sign is there, directly you add. Then you will get the p value. Next substitute p value in third or fourth equation, you will get the q value. After getting p and q value, next you calculate here. See here, 3 means 3 into 5p plus 3 into 1q is equal to 3 into 2. It is nothing but 3 5 is 15 p. Here 3 1 is 3q is equal to 6. This is fifth equation. Sixth one, see here, equation number 4 is multiplied by 1 means as it is 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. This is the sixth equation. When the equation is multiplied by 1 means as it is, it comes, it is same. Next, add 5 and 6. Add equations 5 and 6. See, what is the fifth equation? 15p plus 3q is equal to 6. 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Add means no change in downward equations signs. Here as it is plus is there, 15 plus 6 is 21p. This is minus sign, plus sign cancelled, is equal to 6 plus 1 7. P is equal to 7 by 21. P is equal to 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja, 1 by 3. P value is 1 by 3. What is the Q value? P is equal to 1 by 3. Substitute in equation, see here, equation 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. P is equal to 1 by 3. Substitute P is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 3. What is third equation? You see here, this is 5p plus 1q. 5p plus 1q is equal to 2. 5p means 1 by 3 plus 1q is equal to 2. Here 5 by 3, 1q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Here this is plus sign is there, comes this side minus sign. 2, here there is no denominator means 1, take LCM and subtract, then you will get the Q value. See, LCM and subtract means Q is equal to 1 and 3, LCM is 3, 6 minus first fraction, what is first fraction? 2 by 1, LCM is 3, 3 2 ja 6. What is second fraction? Minus sign is there, minus sign. Second fraction is 5 by 3 into LCM is 3. This 3 and 3 cancelled, 5 1 ja 5. 6 minus 5 is nothing but 1 by 3. Q value is equal to 1 by 3. P value is equal to 1 by 3. Q value is equal to 1 by 3. Here, what is P? P is equal to what? You see here, 1 by x minus 1 is equal to P. Instead of P, you substitute this one here. Here P is equal to 1 by 3, substitute 1 by 3. Next you calculate the x value. Here P is equal to 1 by 3. What is P value? 1 by x minus 1 is equal to P. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to P. Here 1 by x minus 1 is equal to P value is 1 by 3 is equal, here you see, you write cross multiplication, 3 into 1 is 3, x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1 is equal to 3. This one transfers that side, x is equal to 3, minus 1 comes this side, plus 1, x is equal to 4. This is the x value. Next one, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. This is the, here substitute q value, 1 by y by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Here also cross multiplication, here y minus 2 into 1 is nothing but y minus 2 is equal to 3 into 1, 3, y is equal to 3, this minus comes this side plus, 3 plus 2 is y is equal to 5. This is the value of x and y. This completes the fourth one. This is the today's online class. Next class we will continue the same 3.6 exercise in next class. Thank you.